Welcome to This Explainer. Aging is a privilege, and honestly, the absolute best part is just how much power we have to support ourselves as we move through life. Today, we're focusing on how to fuel our bodies right for the journey ahead. We're going to explore golden years nutrition and highlight 10 essential foods for aging well. Let's get right to it.
Okay, let's dive into this. As we get older, our nutritional needs begin to fundamentally change. Our bodies naturally process things a bit differently. Our metabolism slows down, and we actually absorb certain nutrients less efficiently. So what does this all mean? It means every single calorie needs to pack a much bigger nutritional punch. We need specific building blocks for maintaining our daily energy, combating that natural muscle loss with stronger protein intake, ensuring our heart stays robust, and just promoting overall wellness.
To make this super easy to digest, here's our game plan. We're going to cover exactly 10 foods recommended by experts for adults over 50, organized by how they actually help your body. We'll start with the golden years shift, then look at heart and brain boosters, muscle and bone builders, and antioxidant and fiber powerhouses. After that, we'll bring it all together in the daily diet recap and wrap up with a quick health disclaimer.
All right, Section 1, the golden years shift, how we adapt for energy, strength, and heart health.
Moving right along to Section 2, Heart and Brain Boosters, fueling your most vital organs.
Before we reveal our first food, we've got to establish a quick baseline. Omega-3 fatty acids. These are healthy fats found primarily in fish, specifically varieties like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. Why are they so important? Well, because these healthy fats may help support our heart health and our brain function, which, let's face it, become a lot more vulnerable to inflammation as we age. They are truly foundational. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the frequency. Our first essential food is fatty fish. Because it's so wonderfully rich in those omega-3s we just talked about, experts recommend trying to include it in your meals at least twice per week, just 2 times a week to get those vital heart and brain-boosting benefits and keep your cognitive function sharp. Totally doable, right?
Up next, our second heart booster, good old oatmeal. Oatmeal is packed with soluble fiber that specifically helps support heart health by naturally managing your cholesterol levels. What I really love about this is that it's just such a simple, highly customizable breakfast option. You can throw in some fruit, add a few nuts, and boom, you've got a fantastic, steady energy start to your day.
For our third food, we have avocados, which offer brilliant dual benefits. On one hand, they are a phenomenal healthy fat source, and on the other, they're loaded with important nutrients that support your cellular health. And they're incredibly versatile, too. You can easily slice them into your salads, layer them into sandwiches, or, my personal favorite, just enjoy them mashed on a piece of whole grain toast. Let's move to Section 3 and see how this builds muscle and bone builders, maintaining our strength and structure. Protein becomes absolutely critical after age 50 to combat the natural loss of muscle mass and support ongoing muscle maintenance. Now, eggs are an excellent, highly digestible source of high-quality protein, which makes them both versatile and really affordable. But on the plant-based side, beans and lentils offer some powerful nutrition. They provide excellent plant-based protein and fiber, keeping you full while serving as highly budget-friendly options to toss into your soups, salads, and side dishes. Food number 6 brings us to our actual physical framework, our skeletal structure. Enter Greek yogurt. This powerfully supports bone health by providing a rich double dose of both protein and calcium. And calcium plays a hugely important role in maintaining strong bones and preventing density loss as we age. A great rule of thumb here, try to choose plain versions with little or no added sugar, ensuring you get all those structural benefits without the empty calories. Next up are nuts. Specifically, almonds, walnuts, and pistachios. They offer a magnificent trio of healthy fats, fiber, and satisfying protein to support your physical framework. So the crucial point is, a small handful makes a highly satisfying snack during the day. Just a quick reminder though, try to choose the unsalted varieties when possible, just to keep your heart as happy as your taste buds. Section 4, Antioxidant and Fiber Powerhouses. This is all about everyday vitality and cellular defense. You knew these were coming, right? Leafy greens like spinach and kale are densely packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that literally act like bodyguards, helping fend off cellular damage. They're remarkably low in calories and so incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You can add them to salads, stir them into warm soups, or even blend them right into your morning smoothies for a quick nutrient boost. Now let's consider berries. Think blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. These pack a fantastic double punch. They are loaded with both antioxidants and healthy fiber, which is great for digestion. They bring a beautiful burst of color to the plate and make a truly delicious, disease-fighting addition to your breakfast or your afternoon snacks.
Finally, rounding out this section, we've got sweet potatoes. They are deeply nutrient-rich and wonderfully versatile. Whether you bake them whole as a healthy side dish, mash them up, or roast them to really bring out that great natural sweetness, they provide your body with essential fiber and vitamins that keep your everyday vitality high. Section 5. The Daily Diet Recap. Let's review your 10 essential foods. And this brilliantly illustrates our complete lineup. Let's read through them rhythmically together. Take a mental snapshot here. Fatty fish, leafy greens, eggs, berries, nuts, Greek yogurt, beans and lentils, oatmeal, sweet potatoes, and avocados. That right there is your toolkit for healthy aging, giving your body exactly what it needs to thrive.
I want you to remember this. Healthy aging isn't about perfection. Small improvements to your diet can add up over time. The goal of this explainer isn't to force some massive, stressful overhaul of your entire life. It's simply to inspire manageable, daily additions that will compound and deeply support you as you move through your golden years.
Which leaves us with this crucial question. If you want to live better every day, which of these small dietary improvements will you add to your plate tomorrow? Seriously, think about it. Pick just one or two to start. And hey, if you found this nutritional map helpful, make sure to subscribe to Vitalvora for more wellness tips designed to help you live better.
Section 6. Important health disclaimer. A quick final note on your health journey.
Please note that this is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional regarding your personal health needs. Thank you so much for exploring this guide with me today. Keep making those small improvements and ask yourself, what's the one small dietary change you'll make tomorrow? See you in the next explainer.